Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, Marcia. Now, Marcia is in another battle. Well, this time she's cursing out 13. Now, I'm not sure what 13 did to her, but she is doing her worst than she did to the landlord, Erica. Now, she's saying that 13 can't compare herself to her and that she's a good up person. And look at 13. She's saying that 13 is not able to call her underprivileged because she's of privilege. And this is a whole lot that Marcia is addressing here with 13. She mentions a lot of stuff. She mentions her rent, that she paid her rent. So I'm guessing that this had to do with, everything, things about her rent and other things. But guys, you have to go catch a video to see what 13 did to Marcia to get this kind of reaction. So remember, guys, to comment, as always, share, like, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Money Western Union. Every red motherfucking cent Western Union paper for sure. Me send go pay my receipt. Me send go pay my rent. With my assistant and also straight to the person. Who that bitch? How you think you're talking to? Ugly pussy old woman. How you chat to? You can't talk to me. You can't shade me. You have a nerve of cast somebody underprivileged. Blood clot woman, take a look. Take a look at me. Me not have no filter. Me just have a little makeup on my face. Dirty woman, take a look at me. Big old sour pussy woman 13. Take a look at me, because I'm afraid of you. Magic pussy lesion. Pussy old woman. Take a blood clot, good look at me. Who you talking to? Are you fucking teeth in son them? Who you talking to? Who you talking to? You talking to my son? Are your son them a blood clot teeth? Who you talking to? Your blood clot jacket son them. Remember, you confess, A thief make you run away from a God, Jamaica, Remember, say you talk on social media, say you used to walk and thief people, and trick man. That's why you have to run me. Take a blood clot, good look at me, bitch. You can't cuss me. Yeah, so Marcia, you can't cuss me. I fuck with your chat. You come on Jamaica, you come on social media, sell your soul. For Facebook money, you don't have nothing about you. You can't talk to me. All you have is a big blood clot stinking sperm mouth. You ain't got nothing. All you can do is chat with your loud mouth. You can't call people big and fat. Look at you. You can't call people head. Look how your fucking head big like a cow. You can't talk about people. You can't talk. You can't look at blood clot. Good up. Nice body. Blood clots, clean skin, Marcia. Trash already. And talk about me? Are you fucking crazy? Bitch, have a several seats. Bitch, have several seats. Bitch, have several seats. You can't shade me no time. All when me hear up in my head. All when me have yes, you can't shade me. Go sit your ass down. You big, sour, stinking, sour, blood clot, dirty woman. River stand dumpster. And then you are drained like a blood clot #1 eye stroke. Go sit your dirty pussy hole down 13. You can't style me no dick. Me a blood clot big deal. You can't style me no time pussy hole woman. You can't style me no deal. You can't go choke off. You know one shit house. You can't style me no time. No time you can't style me. Pay fuck create chat. You're a battery woman. The amount of blood clot belly where you dash for Jamaica. What the life for me live at Jamaica, I have to run when left that blood clot. You couldn't live my life. You don't have nothing. When you live at Jamaica, you live like a blood clot dog. Man, I fuck you from left, right, and center just to buy your food. Me dey on a big blood clot plantation. Food. Chicken. Goat. While you have to sell your big up no pussy wall to get money. And rob man at town. Fuck you, bitch. You can't chat to me. After I'm afraid of you. Who you think you're talking to? Eh? When last you got a dentist? If you look for you know say your pussy stink. Stink na blood clot. A magic a drop out of that blood clot. Just like magic a drop out of your blood clot foot. I saw your pussy wall magic a drop out of that blood clot, bitch. You can't chat me. Look at me. Take a good look at me. Take a good blood clot look at me, bitch. Take a good look at me. Take a look at good face. Take a good look at me, motherfucker. You have nothing? You have nothing? Big stinking old woman. You have nothing? You have anything? How was the pussy wall name again? What's your name? Charmian. How was your name again? What's your name again? Can you call out me full name? What's your name? Sitting out there. Charmian, Foster. What's your name? Charmian Foster, whatever your name is. What's your name? Charmian Anne-Marie Foster. That's what your name. Remember if I saw. How the pussy wall woman name again? You can't chat nothing, bitch. You can't style Marcia. Eh? Janice Foster. Eh? Stinking hole. Dirty blood clot Janice Foster. You can't style Marcia, you can't look like me. Go sit your blood clot down. I don't even think you have blood clot toothpaste to wash your dirty mouth. You can't talk at me. Look at you. You're thick like a them blood clot all bull cow. You can't style me. Style who? The same fucking thing you come. The same thing every fucking day. You come. It's same day. How you worrying about my pussy? Is it your pussy, bitch? At least my pussy have substance and value for you not have done for your one done. That's why you can't get none. That's why you cock up on social media worry about who fuck me for who not fuck me. Bitch, cause you not get none. You're not even get a blood clot donkey down for your country fuck you. Not even a donkey refuse you. The other day somebody catch up on one camera where you go cock up a dirty pussy for one fence to make a donkey fuck you and donkey refuse you. Cause your pussy think and magic a drop out of that blood clot. You want to come test me pussy well? Down to the blood clot mongrel donkey and dog. We go cock up your blood clot ass out to do a wash up your dirty pussy in a one old piss pot. And when the dog come there and sniff you, the dog faint to blood clot who your pussy think. And your dirty blood clot, sour ass clot, what you chat to. You can't chat good up clean pussy Marcia. You don't even have blood clot money for go GY doctor. If you go take care of your throat there, but if you go GY doctor. Eh? You know say you're a rotten pussy woman. You can't chat the body. Eh? Down to the fucking dog runway out of your house. The way your blood clot everywhere you walk is a smell up. Just as well on Facebook. Every blood clot place you go on Facebook, you just a pollute Facebook. With your dirty mouth and your dirty crotch. Eh? Go sit down. You're dead already. Go bury your blood clot self, bitch. Down to Bumbo Clot Maypen Cemetery refuse you. All you need is an embalm. That's all the mag have to do. Embalm your blood clot and sing. Go dig a hole and put the blood clot devil in. You can't style me, pussy clot woman. You can't style me. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. You can't style me. Style who? Style who? Eh? None of your blood clot picnic can't walk. All when them have degree go ask. You can't talk about my son. You don't know nothing about my son. Go look for your fucking picnic then where you left. Go take a blood clot plane and go back to Jamaica, let me see. Go board the plane and go back a blood clot yard, let me see. Go and jump on a motherfucking plane and go back to Jamaica, let me see, bitch. Take a plane. Take a cruise. Come to America. Come to Canada, bitch. Take a motherfucking plane, bitch, and go look for your son, them. Go and take a plane and go to graduation. Come, show me a blood clot picture with them graduation. Which part them there? Where them is? Where them is? Where them is? Where is the son them? Them probably a fuck one buying right now. blood clot body boy them. My son a straight up gallus. A pussy him say. Your son them a body boy. You can't style me. Style who? Style who? Well on there. How much time he beat from morning? Well, as far as I'm concerned, you came and licked my pussy and my ass over about 10 times from morning because you use a pussy liquor and my body wiper. So my pussy, so that's when I mean, that is it, I'm on my period. So you were the pad under my, you were the pad under my pussy. And I went to bathroom about 3 times, so you did your job. So you have to wait until I finish, eat something. I'm waiting for my food to finish and then I go home and eat. So I should call you to do your motherfucking job in about 3 hours, I think. And in the morning, when I finish breakfast, come and do your motherfucking bath. Remember, I have maid. So I have maid to swipe my motherfucking ass when I go to shit, and that's you. And I have maid to clean up, and I have maid to sweep. So, motherfucker, you're off shift. You're off shift right now. I will give you a motherfucking call in the morning. You understand? I will give you a motherfucking call in the morning, bitch. You're fired. I will hire you back tomorrow. Right now, you're on break, bitch. So I will resume you back in the morning when I finish breakfast. I think about 9 o'clock. Bitch, please. If you don't motherfucking make that blood clot early morning to come and wipe my blood clot ass, you're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. If you don't show up tomorrow morning about between 9:30 and 10 after finish breakfast, your blood clot fired. Because you use my ass wiper. You're fired. Donald Trump said, you're fired. So you make sure your black hair showed up early tomorrow morning on time. You're fired if you ain't show up early morning. Bitch. You're fired. You make sure you show up on motherfucking time. And if you pass, if you pass 7:05, 10:05, you ain't getting paid. Well, I forgot you working free because you ain't got no motherfucking shit. I forgot you ain't getting no pay. So you know how that is already. So make sure you show up on time, bitch. It's your black ass going back on the banana boat. Your black ass will be going back on the banana boat. So you make sure your little black ass showed up early. Okay? Let's get back to business. That's right. I look so pretty, honey. I look so pretty. Yes, my dear, I look so pretty. Yes, I look so pretty, honey. I look so pretty. It's Saturday night, you know, girls got dressed up. But then if she name was Shanique Mackin Morris. Shanique Morris SHINEQ was Shaniqua. Shaniqua. Like I saw. Yes, that is what it is. Thank God you're not working tonight. Make me food. Boy, I may eat late tonight. Me I tell you, place them close up so early. Me should have come out to your house long time. No, sir. Let me see if my food is ready. Yes. Let me see. Motherfucker. A little bitch ass woman over there. I tell story. You can't style me. Me a blood clot big deal. When me got Jamaica, me blood clot take care of anybody who roll with me. Me a blood clot last 2 years me got Jamaica, a big bumble clot Christmas party, me make how much $1,000. Get all catering service, a cook, and give to strangers. You understand where meet up with me and help me. You can't style me nothing. No blood clot body yard. Me never got for them yard got on yet. So you can't come on social media go chat fuck my ears. Any money we spend in Jamaica, me spend that blood clot. Nobody never buy blood clot because give me a yard except one man. One blood clot man. We give me car for drive and do all of that and sitting. One man. Ever. We can't spend money for me. No blood clot woman, nobody, no family, nobody at all. Can't buy food give me. Me, bumbo clot, Marcia, spend money for them. Get that fucking out of your head. You think say them dirty blood clot a come on social media come style me? Me a big pussy clot deal out of this blood clot here. You think that what come style me? Style who? Me a big ras star. Anyway me go to Jamaica and me blood clot provide for anybody around me. If me go to Jamaica for 6 months, then provide for 6 months. No blood clot body in Jamaica can't ever. No family, no friends, nobody can't ever say, then come mind me, buy food for me, or whatever. No man can take no care. When me go to Jamaica, me rent my own fucking car. And a one man me rent, me get car from, and it's my friend. I just the last time I go to me rent another bus because I don't have it. And my friend car who me I talk to for 20 years, a fiend car that me drive. For all those years me I go to Jamaica. I must say 1 or 2 times me ever go to Jamaica in my life. And rent from somebody else. Me I go to Jamaica straight for all these years my friend car me drive. And get car from. I must say 1 or 2 times. Me ever go to Jamaica and rent car 3 times from somebody. No bus. Because him not have that. You can't style me. Style way. Anywhere me go. Me, a blood clot big deal. Me provide for every blood clot body. No bumbo clot body never spend money for me a yard yet. You understand? You're bright. How out of that? Me there Jamaica, me blood clot me roll big. Me no go to Jamaica go itch. Me there everywhere enjoy myself. You're bright. Big crutches woman. Don't know to man. You can't chat the body. All slut. All worrying dash your belly bitch ass woman. You know how much you talk about somebody berry? Eh? When me